But Aditya Agarwala as well is here to talk about what he's making of the markets right now. Aditya, hi, morning. Good to have you on the show. Does it seem like the 24,800 thereabout mark could be a little bit of a tough resistance for us? And what is it that you made of trade yesterday?
Hi, Aisha. Good morning. Thanks for having the show. Clearly, markets more into a consolidation, I would say. So the one index that I'm keeping a close eye on is the Nifty VIX, the India VIX actually. That is something which is still bouncing above the levels of 16, and that is something which is a bit of a worrisome for me. And 18 is the threshold level. So between 18 to 16, India VIX is continuing to oscillate. I would believe if India VIX starts to move below the level of 16, then this resistance mark of 24,800, 25,000 should be taken out decisively. Till the time that happens, I think markets will continue to oscillate between this 24,800, 25,000 on the upside and 24,200 to about 24,400 on the downside. So this is the broad range for the market that I believe markets will continue to oscillate in. And between this, what is interesting is there are stock specific activities and sector rotation which is happening. So it's not that clearly the markets are taking out a lot of supports and it's going into a large corrective phase. It's just that there is a sector rotation which is happening. Money is moving from one sector to the other sector. And I think that is likely to continue in the near term as well.
Right. And what's your stock bias then, Aditya? What would you recommend this morning?
So I've got a couple of buy recommendations. Clearly, the defense space is buzzing, and I think that is likely to continue, Aisha. Names like HAL, BEL, all are looking very strong on the charts. So HL is something that I still believe has more room on the upside. So even at current levels, I'll be a buyer in HAL, look for a target of 50 to 50 on the upside, place a stop loss somewhere around 49.50. The second space that I really like is the two-wheeler space. And yesterday, during the dying hours of trade, we witnessed a bit of a short covering rally and fresh buying in a lot of these two-wheeler names. So Hero Moto is something which I've picked for our viewers, and I think it offers an excellent risk to reward. After a decent bit of a consolidation, stock is now poised for an up move from here on. So maybe buy recommended couldn't be for a day or two, but more for a positional trade. Hero Moto can be bought for a target of 4,500 on the upside. Place a stop loss somewhere around 41.50 on the downside.